want to. So, let's stop talking and let's get to it. I'm going to unbox the last things. So, let's look at the things that are already out of their box. This is my sister's. It's the Ultimate Baryonyx Breakout. It comes with this Baryonyx, which is neat. I like the color. It's got those scratches on it. And it comes with Owen on his motorcycle. So he can be like... He did come with a gun and some other accessories, but I can't find those because my sister took this out and now they're all gone. And my sister has these. These are actually really fun. They're called pluses, and you can connect them together. And, of course, we've got the Super Colossal Brachiosaurus. I think it's actually just called the Legacy Collection Brachiosaurus. But I like to call it Super Colossal because it is super colossal. You can see how tall it is next to the Indoraptor and the Baryonyx. So here's Owen next to the Brachiosaurus. Look how big it is. It's at least 2 feet high and 2 feet long. And this is actually, I think it's the first of the Jurassic World Mattel herbivores to open and close its mouth. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and one of my favorites of all time, the Super Colossal Velociraptor Blue. I love her eye. I love her eye. And she's posable just like the giant T-Rex. But this time her hands actually move from side to side, which is pretty cool. So you can make her do some neat poses. And her legs move, her tail moves, but I'm not going to make her all fall down because I'm using one hand. And her mouth closes and opens from top to bottom. And she just swallowed little dinosaurs. There was just a little Allosaurus. Let's see if we can find here. Here's an Imaginext one. She can eat. And then it comes out of her flap in her belly. And it clicks back in. Look! We'll do those later, yes. Of course, my sister wants to show us. We got the Snap Squad assortment. I can't find the Indominus Rex. It went missing last night. But they're cute. They're really snappy. They bite really hard. Little hurts. Yeah. It does hurt. These two are my sister's. I have the Indominus Rex, but it's lost. This one's mine. It's the Indoraptor. This one doesn't hurt because its teeth are out. Yeah, you can snap. They've got like a spring that pops them really closed, and sometimes it hurts because they're like have the strongest bite force of any toy that's ever existed. They bite really hard, but they're really cute. I really like them. They're small. One thing I didn't like is that their legs and arms are all swingy like that. You can't pose them. They either stay like that, but at least they stand, which is good. And let's move on to this one, the Attack Pack Gallimimus. This is from the first Fallen Kingdom, not Dino Rifles or Primal Attack. I have been wanting this one, and it was super hard to find. There's the scan code. I already have it scanned in. Only one I don't have scanned in is the Calavosaurus and the Baryonyx and the Brachiosaurus. Those are the only 3 I don't have scanned in yet. And now let's move on to this one. The Primal Pal Baby Blue. So you move her back around. Her arms move and her little tail wags. She's really cute. Her tiny little teeth in there. She's got a chomp and a little roar. I really like her. And find the Indoraptor. Just an Indoraptor. I got a new replacement because, as you know, mine's tailpiece fell off, so I got a replacement to that one. Let's get to unboxing things. Can you get your pluses out of the way? First, we're going to open up the Suchomimus Dual Attack. The Dual Attack. It's got a super chomp and a tail attack. So let's get this guy out of the box. Okay, so he's got that super chomp I really like, and I love the color. And it's a lot like the first one. Declan, if you're watching, Suchomimus Maximus. I don't have my my dinosaur mask, but it's outside. And it's got that tail strike, which I think all Mega Dual Attacks, except for the Quetzalcoatlus, have. And here's the other side. And here's the scan code. Let's get to the next one. We have a mystery one right here. This is covered up. We'll see. We'll find that one out later. Let's get out the Calvosaurus. Can you hold the camera while I get out the Calvosaurus? Okay, so here's the Calvosaurus. Oh dear. Somehow we've gotten in there. Okay, here's the Calvosaurus. I've been waiting for this one to come out. I got this, I think we got it on Amazon. I'm not sure since it was a Christmas present. I think we did.
We got it on Amazon.
Yeah, I thought so. So that's where usually my mom and dad get Christmas presents because they're cheap, fast delivery, and they have fun stuff there. Arms move. It looks a lot like a iguanodon. And this is actually the first attack pack to have a tail that moves side to side, which I thought was really neat. I like that one a lot. And I like the color. And if you can see it all, the face is like shiny. It's like coated in like a glossy stuff. It's shiny. So there's a Calvosaurus. Let's get this packaging out of the way. This is for all the girls that are watching. The Barbie chicken farmer. Because we live on a farm and we like chickens. We have chickens. I think I'm going to have to pause the video for a minute. Oriana, can you hold it? That would be great. Okay, so let's get this girl out. If I can find here.
I have one of those.
Yep. No, I got one. Okay, so let's cut all these bands.
Oh no, set me free, I'm trapped.
Yep, that's what Barbie's saying.
No, not my hair, don't cut my hair.
Got 2 on her hair. 3 on her hair. 4 on her hair. There's another one there. So here's the Barbie. The doll. Live, Love, Farm.
And here's my girl. I changed her clothes.
Yeah, so she's got movable. Yes, we're looking at the Barbie, not your pluses. Stop. No, that's not funny, Oriana. So here's the Barbie. Here's the other side. She's got nice red boots on. Let's get out the chickens. Look at mine is falling open. chicken in a basket. These are the little chicks. And the eggs. So, okay, so I've got it all together. Oh, wait, just one more thing. I have to pause the video again. Okay, I got it back on. So, there's a little chick down there, a little ramp, some water. It doesn't actually have water in it. The nesting boxes. And a little egg carton here that was cute, and it opens and closes. And she's got an egg basket. So this is really neat. Okay, I think we've unboxed all of them. Let's get to the mystery thing. What do you think it will be? I'll give you 5 options. It's either the Destroy and Devour Indominus Rex. It could be a Bite and Fight T-Rex. It could be the new Control and Conquer Carnotaurus. It could be, let's see, what else could it be? It could be, how about another Barbie set, like a Barbie car set? Or maybe it would be, I bet it could be like a Destructosaurus thing. Well, let's find out. Okay, we've got the mystery dinosaur right here. Let's open it up. It's the Destroy and Devour Indominus Rex. Let's get this blanket out of the way. Okay. I've already cut the bands and everything. It's open. Let's look at it inside the box. So there's a button on its tail and a button right here. So it has roar. And it has a light inside its neck.
And a button.
And the button right here. Like it's a grabbing.
And sometimes the
Slash, roar, devour. Dino Rivals, Destroy and Devour Indominus Rex. Here's a picture. Jurassic World. 2 buttons there. Let's get it out. Well, let's look at the other side of the box. I've already got the collector's card out, but I can't find it. I had it all out ready for this video, and I lost it. I put it somewhere where you wouldn't see it, so it wouldn't give this away. Lights Up, Destroy and Devour Indominus Rex, Jurassic World, Slash, Roar, Devour, 1 dinosaur, and 1 card included. Warning, small parts may be generated. Not for use with some dinosaur figures.
Okay.
And here's some other dinosaur figures you can get. There's Delta, Protoceratops, Coeluris.
They're attack pack.
Yeah, these are all attack packs. Dracorex and Herrerasaurus. There's Owen next to the Indominus Rex. The collector's card place. Yep. Let's get this box away. Get the Indominus one and get out itself. So,
And
let's get this Owen figure.
And I'm gonna get eaten by Indominus Rex. Oh no.
So, let me take it. Okay, we're gonna destroy Owen. Oh, there he goes. You can actually see Owen's head in there.
But how do you get it out?
You can see his feet in there.
Take him out.
Stop getting so close.
Ow.
Okay, so now let's slash him up. Okay. Let's make sure it's Owen size, so we want. There he goes. He just grabbed Owen. Let's try it again. Get it up so we can see it all. Can't get it so close.